Hi everyone, this is Amigo Jake and ngayon is nandito tayo sa 22nd floor. I'm having a coffee. This is my view. Let's see. Mula dito, maririnig mo yung super lakas ng ulan. Hangin. Wala na ulan pero yung hangin super malakas pa rin. Yun yung problema. So, I know guys that most of you are having a hard time nowadays. Lalong-lalo na sa mga region, cities, town, barangay na affected ng super typhoon Uwan. Sa mga nabahaan, nawala ng hanap buhay, nasira ng bahay. Guys, stay strong lang tayo. I know that this is the most crucial part of the year for most of us, but stay strong. Life doesn't end there. Marami pang pag-asa, marami pang tayong pwedeng gawin sa buhay, and we can make it. This is not the first time that we have this kind of super typhoon. There are even worse than that before. Now it start raining again, as you can see here. So stay safe everyone. Ensure that you have like mga flashlight, canned foods, yung easy na kailangan natin for safety then, and stay safe. It's freaking raining again.